Okay, so today we're going to change the time from minutes to seconds. So just to go over, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, that's 60 minutes. Now, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So from 1 minute past 2 to 2 minutes past 2, that is 60 seconds. So we need to remember this today, that there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. So, there's different ways you can work this out. If it asks you how many seconds are in 2 minutes, or how many seconds are in 4 minutes, you can use your 6 times table. Now, there's 60 minutes in 1 minute, but your 6 times table are really going to help you with this. So, in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. Okay? So, think of that as like 1 times 6, but remember it's a tens number, so you put the 0 as the placeholder. So in 2 minutes, you can double 60, or you can do 2 times 6. So 2 times 6 is 12, but remember, it's not 6, it's 60, so it's a tens number, which would give you 120 seconds. And then if you know 2 minutes is 120, you'll know 4 minutes, because 2 minutes to 4 minutes is double, so you just double 120, which would give you 240. Or you could do 4 times 6, which is 24, and then remember there needs to be a 0 as a placeholder because 60 is a tens number, it's not actually 6. So using your 6 times table is really going to help you. You could do the column method, so if you want to know how many seconds are in 4 minutes, you know there's 60 minutes in 1, so you're going to times it by 4. So you do 4 times 0, which is 0, and then you do 4 times 6, which is 24, and that gives you 240. So it's up to you which method you use. You can do it as the column method for multiplication, or you can just do it mentally using your 6 times tables. So here we've got 7 minutes. How many seconds are in 7 minutes? So you could do 6 times 7 in your head, or you could do 60 times 7 in the column method. So 7 times 0 is 0, and then we've got 7 times 6, which is 42, which would give you 420 seconds. Now, this one, we want to know how many seconds are in 24 minutes. Now, off the top of your head, you're not going to know what 24 times 60 is. So if we're looking for 24 minutes in seconds, we do need to times it by 60. So what we could do here is we could work out, well, okay, what's 10 minutes in seconds? Well, 10 minutes in seconds is 10 times 60. 10 times 60 would give you 600, wouldn't it? So 20 times 60 would be double that. So what's double 600? 1,200. So that gives us 20. Now we need 4 minutes. So what is 4 minutes in seconds? Oh, 4 times 60. So 4 times 6 is 24, but it's 4 times 60, so it would be 240. So you need to put together 20 times 60 and 4 times 60. So you need to add 1,200 and then 240. 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 4 is 4, 2 and 2 is 4, and then 1 and I think is 1. So 24 minutes in seconds is 1,440. So with the larger numbers like that, it's about partitioning it and splitting it. So looking at 10 minutes, then another 10 minutes, then 4 minutes. Okay, so your activity today is to convert these minutes into seconds. So you've got 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 60 minutes into seconds. Then you've got some larger numbers. It's asking for 120 minutes to convert it into seconds. So again, with those, partition it. And then here, you've got 1 minute and 15 seconds. So work out 1 minute in seconds and then add the 15 seconds because you wouldn't need to convert 15 seconds. and then this one here, 2 minutes and 50 seconds, convert the 2 minutes into seconds and then add the 50 seconds. Okay, if you need help, message me on the blog. If not, I'll speak to you tomorrow.